Water, nature's most precious resource, unified with the finest materials and designs to create a premium art form for your life. Flova was established in 1991 as a specialist manufacturer of bath and kitchen products. It adopts pragmatic design principles to unify beauty and innovative technologies, offering today's and tomorrow's cultures complete interaction with nature's most precious resource. Flova, an innovator and leader of core technologies in the industry. Our expertise in design and mold development allows us to create complex water flow structures. We pride ourselves on utilizing gravity die casting technology to achieve superior dimensional accuracy, creating precise internal waterways and a smooth cast finish. Advanced CNC machining centers allow for single setup, multi-stage machining processes, repeatable quality and consistency in manufacture. Dynamic programming capabilities transfer 3D product data for efficiency, all to meet our exacting standards. We combine intelligent robotic polishing with handcrafted polishing to guarantee a flawless mirror finish. Polishing robots ensure efficiency in replication and appearance, while final hand polishing creates superior, simply stunning products. The state-of-the-art, fully automated in-house plating facility signifies our passion for manufacturing excellence. It has been developed to exceed the highest industry standards, creating beautiful finished products that will endure the test of time in even the most demanding environments. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. A comprehensive quality control process and management system is adhered to from raw materials receipt through manufacturing to final assembly. Flova regards itself as an artisan, taking inspiration from nature's elements to create products embodying fashion, technology, and art. At Flova, quality is a passion and belief. This pursuit of excellence constantly means utilizing new technologies to surpass customers' expectations. Flova is committed to introduce a series of innovative technologies in bath and kitchen research and development to establish leading industry standards. Our innovation and designs have earned many global awards and certificates. Moreover, we have held more than 230 national and 110 international patents. Today, as our way of life changes, so do our demands for a healthy and comfortable showering experience. Since being established, Flova have always worked in identifying customer needs and ensuring bathing experiences with more function and improved water solutions. Flova is dedicated to combining technology with art. It's more than a product, it's a piece of art. It's more than about quality, it's about taste. It's about the environment and our health. Comfort and beauty are the philosophies embedded in our pursuit in turning the finest brass and latest technologies into the art form. Flova Bath and Kitchen, the art of water.